Hi everyone, I'm going to walk through steps on how to get these wireless security cameras set up. First, there is a QR code here in the instructions. We'll scan that and go to the Play Store where I can get the app directly. I'm going to download and install that, and we're going to test everything out here, make sure it works in the house before we go outside and set it up. This installs pretty rapidly, as you can see, and I'm going to open it. First thing that I need to do is allow some permissions to read files, and then we're going to create a new account using my email address. And I'm going to test everything out here before we go outside to install it. So with the app installed on the phone and the device powered on here, I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code on the back per the instructions. Give it the permission to see. And I have the D1 Classic right here. So it tells me to go ahead and turn it on and plug it into the router. Comes with all the cables that we need. So let me just take a moment to do that. Plug in the Ethernet cable. See it come to life, and we should be ready. I'm going to go ahead and continue. And on the camera itself now, this looks nasty, huh?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Sure.
Okay. On the bottom of the camera, there is a weather-resistant plug. Hold down the power button and turn both cameras on.
Hello. Hello.
I heard hello. We'll press the sync button on the back of the home base, which is right here. Green light flashes, that is true. And now the home base is searching for new cameras. There we go, I found both of my cameras. So we'll just wait for it to configure them.
Do you want to be done or do you want to do the quick start? You're just staring at it.
Well, what's it doing? That you didn't have to have a plan. Okay, so I got the app installed. The cameras are working here. So just to test this out before I go out and install them, I've got a lot of settings here. You can enable motion detection for humans only. You can have the camera automatically follow when it detects a human. And you can also adjust automatically to optimize your battery usage. There's an alarm function here as well. So I can turn this on. It's going to be pretty loud, but you can also adjust the volume. And when it detects motion, which it is right now, it's seeing me, you can hear the alarm. You can set a period, have it go all day or only certain hours, and if it is triggered by motion or not. You can control your notifications that you get on your smart device. There is local storage built into the cameras, so you can see event playback automatically, but if you wanted unlimited cloud storage, there are plans available for that. Going through more settings here, there's audio and video settings. So these are 2K cameras. The image quality is really great. If you've got poor network performance and so bandwidth is an issue, you can switch to this smooth mode. You can control the spotlight built into the camera. I can turn off or on the infrared night vision lights. So when the infrared is on, it's going to illuminate at night but not be visible to humans. And that's going to produce a black and white image. If I want a color image, but it's not enough light, I can turn on the embedded LED spotlights. It also has a two-way talk speaker and the ability to record. Oops. It also has a two-way talk speaker and the ability to record sound. So when I go back to the live play, so some other cool features I've been playing with this app is you've got a voice alert here. So if you are home alone or just want to have an automated message, there's 3 options here that are pre-recorded. So one is package at the door.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing here?
And finally,
please get out of here now.
So those are great functions. You can use those if you like. And then if you want to change or disguise your voice, there is one for tone. It's going to lower your voice tone and you sound a lot more authoritative and probably scary. So let's try this. Hello? How do I sound now?
How do I sound now?
There's also very simply a talk button. If I press this, I can have a two-way conversation with whoever's on the other end of the camera. You can see it's pretty low latency. We'll hang up. I've also got a quick access to the spotlight function. So here's one of them turned on. It's pretty bright. We'll test that at night. And a quick access to the alarm sound as well. And then you've got controls for all of the pan, tilt, and zoom. It's also got settings to adjust the resolution that you're seeing. So right now I'm ultra high def, so this is 2K. I can go to standard definition, which is regular HD 1080p. There's record, capture an image, and mute or enable the audio sound from the live stream. So with the cameras here, I've got everything set up in the app. We're ready to go out and install it. This is the mounting bracket. So it comes with screws as well as anchors to use. We'll put this into a solid surface and then the back simply slides in and clips in. So with that, let's go get these set up and we'll get secure. Moving to the app here, we can see I've got both cameras. You can view multiple cameras simultaneously. This is the live feed. I can click on individual cameras as well. And there's a 360 pan feature. It gives you a panoramic view of 180 degrees around. You can see that the app is updated now. I can also control it individually with just the arrows. And at the bottom here, I can turn on and off the spotlight. And going back to the history here, you can see I've got a log of all of the motion events here that have been captured throughout the day. Squirrel playing, I can make this full screen and see more detail. And you can see here the night vision, it captured an animal running across here, but you can see how the infrared really lights up the ground and makes the detail really visible. And this is not really visible to the naked eye. And this camera can also track motion, so as objects that are moving go through the frame, you can see the camera automatically adjusts.